Hey everybody, for years and years I've used this hat with a little small camera, the little Canon S100 or even some of the GoPro knockoffs, because I could put it on the front of my hat and it worked out pretty good. That way when you do it yourself videos you can look down at your hands and just have the camera mounted on your hat. The problem is I recently started doing all my videos on the phone, and the phone just doesn't fit too well up on top of the hat. So I was going to take the camera and attach it to the back with some straps. That way just put the cap on backwards. But I happened to be looking online and I saw a video by Knoptop. If you're not familiar with him, I'll leave a link to his channel. He's got a lot of great do-it-yourself film and video gadgets on his channel, which I like a lot, and I do quite a few myself. But he had one where what he did is he took a little attachment from his smartphone, a little smartphone holder that goes onto a tripod, which is holding my smartphone right now, so I'll take it off, and he just clipped it to the front of his hat. But mine doesn't have a ability to go with the clip, so I'm going to drill a hole and put the little brass bolt in there. It's a 1/4 inch thread. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't have a grommet yet, but I'll just drill a hole right here. Okay, here's the little bolt. We'll attach the mount. Okay, you can see you're a little bit out of focus though. This little piece I had of wood here for putting on another attachment, like for a light or a microphone. It's handy. It kind of keeps the screen off your nose. So yeah. Yeah, so it does work. No, you gotta look pretty ridiculous, but if you're making a little do-it-yourself video and you need to have the camera focusing on what you're doing in front of you, it'd be okay. Otherwise, they might come take you away. Okay. Go check out Knoptop's channel. I think you'll like it.